Hey, here we have a 2005 Dodge Ram 2500. This is a Cummins Turbo Diesel, 5.9 liter. This truck is fast, strong, and ready for work. 82,000 miles. We just bought it from a local contractor, a friend of mine here in Kansas City, and they are just moving it out of their fleet to buy new vehicles. Really clean truck, well maintained, one owner, no accidents, good set of tires. They're not the greatest, but they're good rubber on them still. 82,000 miles right there. Cruise control, 4x4 ST, so no power windows or locks or any frills here, guys. It's just pure power. Nice clean interior in the back. Seat folds up, if you noticed in the pictures. Pretty cool. Got more storage there if you need to throw some tools in there. Mean machine. I want to thank you again for looking at our vehicles. Don't forget, we're at www.squadcarsusa.com, and my name is John Johnson. You can reach me at 800-778-3090. Thanks again.